Okay, so in this video we are going to be going over coordinates and gliding. So first of all, you'd see I've changed the backdrop here. So these are coordinates. First of all, we can see I just selected the cat there. It's been separated into negative 100, negative 200, positive 100, positive 200, positive 100 and negative 100. So this is an x and y plane, also known as a Cartesian plane. So to do this, this just shows us whereabouts on the stage we can get our cat to move. So what I'm going to show you first of all is it in the scripts block, this go to x, y. So if I drag that on here, if I wanted to type in 100, 100, this would go up here because it's 100 up and 100 across. So do that now. So 100 and 100. So just type the numbers in. Just click on there and type it in. So now to play it, I just double click. So this would go there. So as you can see, because it's bigger than a single pixel, because these are pixels, the cat is slightly bigger. But at the center of the cat, which is here, is on 100 and 100 by 100. So what would happen if we do negative 100, so negative 100x and 100y? What do you think would happen? So what would happen is it would go up here, negative 100 back and 100 up. So if I type that in, so negative, so you just use the dash button on your keyboard, 100, and then y we could keep as 100. Let's double click on that. It goes there. So the other thing I'm going to show you today is this glide 1 second to block. So just drag this up here. So what we're going to do is just to clean this area up, you could delete this. You could either drag this here or you could right click and click delete. So there you go, you see it's been put back there. See it's been put back there. So for this glide 1 second, I'll just drag it up here. If I put in, let's see how big we can go. So right here, x is 240. So that is as big as it can go. And then up here, y is 180. You can also see, if you look at this point where my mouse is now, and you look as I move my mouse around, it gives you the coordinates of my mouse. So if you want to put your character up here, but you don't know its exact coordinates, you can look down here, see it's x is 162 and y is 144. Then remember that, then go 162 and then 144. So what's different about this glide 1 second block is that it glides. So if I double click on that to play it, you can see the cat glides up there. And if I take it to 0, 0, which is here, which is also known as the origin point. So if I take it to the origin point here, go 0, 0, then because I want it to last longer, I'm going to say glide 3 seconds. So over 3 seconds, it's going to glide down there to so it's going to glide to the origin point in 3 seconds, as it did. So if I want it to go to x 200 and y 100, I could do that. So x 200, y 100, and then I could do glide for 1 second. Oh, sorry, let's try something different. Let's do half second. So 0.5, so it's half a second. Just double click on that. See, it moves over there quite quickly. If we do 0.1 seconds or 1/10 of a second, it would click on it. Actually, it didn't move, so that was because the cat was already in that position. So if we just change into x equals negative 200, double click on that, see it moves across very, very fast. Okay, so the one last thing, so this is the last thing I'm going to show you in this video, is you could, for these blocks, you can put them underneath each other, so like that. So I could do glide, so if I double click on this, I'm just going to change this to go to the origin point, so 0, 0, and I'm going to make it glide for 1 second. If I double click on this, it glides to the origin point and then it glides up there. So if I wanted to, I can make the cat do a square, or glide in a square. So I could do glide to this point, so 100, 100, 100, 100. Then I could grab another one from here, drag it up. Then just I could put it between them by putting it there. And then go negative 100, sorry, 100. Because X always comes before Y. So 100, negative 100. So minus 100. And then before the last one, because we want it to do a square, so currently it goes from here to here to here to here. We want it, sorry, it doesn't go to here though. So we want it to go to here first. So this point is, if you go down along the X axis, it's negative 100 by negative 100, like all the others. Oh, that's go to, not glide. So negative 100, negative 100. So if I did this, what's going to happen is it should glide in a square. So let's see if that happens. So one side, another side. Yeah, that's all 4 sides. So if you want, you could have a play with this and the go to. So that's all for this video, and have fun.